Morning, Jim. Well, it was a frosty start to our Friday morning. Many spots into the 30s this morning. Coldest of the season out there in Philadelphia as well. So bundle up, but dress in layers because later on this afternoon we rebound nicely to the low 70s, which is very seasonable for an early October day. Planning your weekend, put the coats back in the closet. You won't need them, at least for Sunday especially. We're going to warm up to near 80 degrees. But it's not going to last. This cold front right here will come through Sunday night into Monday and knock temperatures down even further. Today, again, a cold start, a mild finish, temperatures near 70 this afternoon. Your weekend forecast, mostly sunny for Saturday at 77 degrees. Sunday, a few more clouds, especially in the morning. The farther north you go, will brighten up through the afternoon. Out ahead of our cold front, we'll get to 79 degrees. Front comes through Sunday night with the chance for a spotty shower, followed by a cool down. 65 Monday, then only in the 50s. Coats are needed as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Jim, I'll send it back to you.
Thank you, Kate.
This is a frosty start, the coldest start of the year, of the season, I should say, so far. The fall, coldest morning since last spring. You're going to be cold standing at the bus stop with the kids. The kids, I'm sure, will, if they're anything like mine, they're probably not going to change their attire much at all. But at least parents can grab a coat and stand outside and not be freezing because it is cold outside. It's, again, if this were spring, this might be the first mild day of the season, but in the first cold morning of October, you really feel it. And boy, does it look like fall outside. Take a look at Plymouth Meeting. Everything bursting into that fall foliage. It is looking so colorful outside, especially up into the Poconos where some peak foliage can be found this weekend. A great weekend to go up there and see some of that. In the city, you can see the Delaware River, nothing but blue sky right now. Margate, the sun is up, illuminating the shore. Cape May looking beautiful this morning as well. The shore not in the frost advisory. The city, Delaware County, and the state of Delaware also not in that frost advisory. The rest of the region, we are, and that means mid to upper 30s. That's what you're walking out to. Coldest morning of the season. Bundle up. May even want the gloves if you're going to be outside for a long time, if you're planning on taking a long walk or going for a run. As always, if you're running, dress for 10 degrees warmer than the temperature actually is. If you're out for a walk, dress for what the actual temperature is. And it is chilly, 30s and 40s this morning. But this afternoon, we rebound nicely to the low 70s. And planning your weekend, put the coats back, put them away. We're warming to near 80 degrees on Sunday as a warm front sets up shop north of us. But nothing warm about this morning. Let's go ahead and pull up your map. We'll see where temperatures are right now. And again, it is a frosty start. Not in the city. We're at 46 degrees. I'm going to put up our frost advisory as well. All areas shaded in blue. So interior South Jersey. You remember yesterday, Camden and Gloucester counties were not included. That was expanded yesterday afternoon, so they are included now. Surf City is at 46, not included the shore spots. You can see that little strip along the shore as the ocean keeps it a little bit more moderate there. But Toms River's at 36 degrees. Wilmington in the 40s, so no frost expected there, but we're seeing 30s in all of these north and west suburbs. So if you're in Coatesville, up toward Pottstown, my hometown of Phoenixville here in northern Chester County, Reading, 39 degrees, Allentown, 39 degrees, the Lehigh Valley really chilly, and the Poconos certainly looking frosty this morning. So what to expect heading into the weekend? Today, after this cold start, it's a nice warm afternoon, seasonable. Our average high is actually 69 degrees now, and we'll get to 71. So nice and mild, a quick rebound. And the weekend, talk about a rebound. There's nothing cold about it. 77 degrees tomorrow, 79 on Sunday for the Eagles game. Now, I want to show you a front that's going to set up shop Sunday into Monday, and that's going to bring in another cooling trend next week. Setting this into motion, though, today there's barely a cloud in the sky. Tomorrow, same story. Now, a few clouds will start to streak in tomorrow night into Sunday morning, and this is a warm front. So when you wake up Sunday morning, the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos may see some clouds, maybe even a shower in the Poconos. South of there Sunday morning is dry, and then this warm front stays north, bringing shower chances to New York State and New England Sunday. We stay dry and stay warm as, again, the southwest flow kicks up. Now, we'll keep you posted through the weekend if this shifts at all, but with that warm front to the north, Sunday is very warm, and then here comes the associated cold front. This will pass through generally dry Sunday night into Monday morning, and watch what it does to the temperature. After we hit 79 on Sunday, behind that cold front, just 65 Monday, and by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, we are only in the 50s. So let's pull up your next weather 7-day forecast. And again, you'll see the difference. Big swings here. Today starts off cold, finishes seasonable. The weekend is very warm. We've got that warm front set up to the north on Sunday. Cold front comes through Sunday night, and then next week is even colder. Highs are only in the 50s Tuesday and Wednesday.